Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's mini-series of 5 episodes, we are going to show you 25 tips for parenting your child with anxiety. So please make sure that you watch the other episodes as well. So let's get it started. 21. In reality, exposure therapy is the most successful treatment for OCD and the majority of anxiety disorders, thus it is not detrimental. However, if your child suffers from OCD or anxiety, finding a therapist who is educated about and trained in exposure and response prevention (ERP) gives you access to effective treatment for your child's difficulties. There are many fantastic therapists and therapy approaches for children. In addition to being secure, exposure therapy is the most thoroughly researched treatment for OCD and anxiety disorders. 22. Think about involving your healthcare team. When anxiety or OCD is severe or persistent, medication might be a useful component of the therapy plan. Discuss your worries regarding medicine with your child's doctors and get advice from them on possible drug treatments. When OCD or anxiety manifests suddenly and seemingly out of the blue, it may be a sign of an underlying medical illness. Before beginning psychotherapy, this may call for a medical examination and treatment. 23. Recognize and celebrate both significant and minor achievements. This is true not only of the courageous acts your child does, but also of the tolerance and kindness you and other family members show your child. Look for those modest victories and breakthroughs in your child's newly acquired talents as well as in your own parenting experiences because frustration and exhaustion are to be expected. Prepare to employ parenting techniques and ERP to the following OCD issue. Throughout childhood, OCD and anxiety take on various forms and become fixated on the newest theme of the week. The majority of the abilities you and your child acquire will be applicable to any future themes. Avoid assuming that every crisis requires a brand new strategy. The process of chasing symptoms will resemble a game of whack-a-mole. It is normal for symptoms to change or jump around, so be ready. 25. Whether or not your child visits a therapist, there are essential components to an effective treatment plan for pediatric OCD or anxiety. As a parent or caregiver, it is your responsibility to develop a strategy that will provide you, your child, and your family the best opportunity of regaining control. The full package to overcoming anxiety requires facing worries, tolerating distress, coping with uncertainty, and adopting proactive actions that are consistent with your healthy values. However, it does require practice and patience. Take courageous activities with your child, make appropriate use of humor, and show compassion for both yourself and your child as you work together to overcome worry. You are capable of completing this. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.